Hello everyone, this is another homecoming mom tutorial. Now you've seen people put things from their die cutting machines on the mums. Like this is a Longhorn, it's for our Marshall Mavericks. And then I've got some with jackets on it for our yellow jackets. And here's one with somebody's name. And here's a simple one. Here's a little monogram. You've seen people do really fancy ones and simple ones. I also cut out shapes on my machine, like here, and then I've got stars and music notes. Here's another Maverick. And these are great, but I know not everybody has a die cutting machine. And so I'm going to show you how to do stuff with just stickers, and then we're also going to use glitter paper and glitter foam, which I have pieces of here. And this glitter foam has a sticky back, which is great. So here's what I came up with. Here's a really good one with jackets. And these were, again, these were just stickers. These were really good scrapbooking stickers. They're not glittery. They're just silver, like a nickel looking. But they're really sticky, so they stuck on there really good, and they're thick, kind of foamy feeling. So it made a really good one. And then this one is another scrapbooking stickers. Those are good stickers for homecoming moms if you can't make your own. The only thing is they didn't stick on this foam very well, so I had to put just a little bit of hot glue behind it. Not very much because I didn't want it oozing out, but now it's going to stay on there. And then I made a little Maverick. And this, these stickers, which I used on this one and this one, I just made a little monogram here. They did not stay on there at all. They're really cheap scrapbooking stickers. So what I did was I just got some nail polish and I just brushed it over it on that one and that one, so now the stickers will stay. You could use just clear or any kind of glitter that you wanted to if you didn't like the looks of that. But those were just some little examples of what I did. So I'm going to make another Maverick one, and it just mavs like that because it's easier to put on mom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these black stickers. First I'm going to put them on this silver glitter paper. And I want a capital M first. So I'm going to use this to peel it off gently. It's not coming off very easily. I think these might be poster board stickers. And that's another thing these die cutting machines are great for, is school projects. When they have to make a poster board or any kind of project where you have to put, you know, a title or something on it, having your own machine and some vinyl is great because we've used it a ton. So now I'm going to take the smaller letters. Again, I'm just going to put them there like that and push down. And I can move them around if I don't like where they're at. And I kind of curved them. Let's see if I like that. Okay, so I'm just going to get my scissors, and I'm simply going to cut just a design around it, however you want to do it. I'm going to just make it kind of curvy and cut around that like that. This glitter paper is really thick, so it's a little bit harder to cut. So it turned out like that. I could go in a little bit more there. Trim it up somewhere if I don't like something. Like that. And since this doesn't have a sticky back, I'm going to have to hot glue it on there. I think I'll just do that one on the glitter paper. Just putting some hot glue on here. Making sure I have enough room to cut around. Push that down. Then I'm going to just follow that same design that I did on the silver. Don't overthink it, just cut around it. However, it really is very simple. You could also do monograms like this if you could find, you know, big sticker for the middle and then smaller stickers for the each side initial. you can see that's very cute. It didn't take much at all. You don't have to have any fancy machines or computer programs to do this, and it will add so much to your mom. And I can add other things to this if I wanted to. Let's see what the difference is. Let's say the person is in band, which you can find, you know, I know I cut this one out of my machine, but you can find music notes in the sticker section. You can find other different kinds of music notes that you could glue on here. I'm just using these as an example because that's what I have close. But I also have these little wooden stars that I got in the Christmas section. And I could, they have a sticky thing on the back I always pull off. But you could glue those around. Look at how cute that is. Same with that one. And then I also cut out their mascot, so I could, you know, I could glue that on there. I could make a smaller one and glue it on the side, make one in black. It would be very cute and a different color on there. But, I mean, or like I have this one that's multiple. It's way big though for it. Or you could do a little, you know, if you had somebody's initials and you wanted to do it next to it or something. There's so many possibilities of things you could do on there just to add to it. And I could also outline it in, you know, diamond mesh or rhinestones or something. Put a rhinestone in the center, or go across the letters with rhinestones just to really make it stand out. I'll actually make another video of that just to show you what that will look like. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that helps you make some better moms. Bye.